In industrial environments, danger isn't always visible, but the risks are very real. Toxic and combustible gases can escape detection until it's too late. Left unmonitored, a single leak of combustible gas can reach explosive levels without warning, putting people, assets, and operations at risk. Toxic exposure can overwhelm workers in seconds, especially in confined or hard-to-reach spaces. Traditional gas detection systems can be difficult to install, expensive to expand, and hard to maintain. And when sites are remote, response time isn't always on your side. The result? Shutdowns, lost production, and costs that add up fast. That's why Emerson created the Rosemount 928 wireless gas monitor, a wireless combustible and toxic gas detection platform that reaches remote sites and confined spaces, without the complexity of traditional wired systems. No drift combustible sensor eliminates field calibrations, multi-year battery life, deploy in hours, not weeks, scale coverage without rewiring, and know your people and assets are protected everywhere. You get complete visibility, so your teams can focus on operations, not uncertainty. Rosemount 928. Certainty in uncertain conditions. Learn more at emerson.com/Rosemount928.